Still grinding on Instagram for 6 likes and 0 sales? While you're chasing trends and burning out, smart marketers are pulling traffic 24/7 with content they posted months ago. That platform? Pinterest. And in 2025, it's not just DIY and keto recipes. It's a full-on traffic engine. And today, I'm showing you how to make it your highest performing funnel. No fluff, no dancing. Just a step-by-step strategy that turns pins into real, consistent traffic. This is your moment. Let's dive in. Why Pinterest is not social media. Pinterest is not social media. If you're treating it like TikTok or Instagram, you're leaving serious money on the table. This platform isn't chasing virality. It's built different. Pinterest is a hybrid beast, a visual search engine that fuels discovery and drives action. Think Google but visual. Think YouTube but clickable. Let me break it down with stats and strategy. Pinterest is evergreen. A Pinterest drop today could still be ranking in clicks next year. 60% of saves happen on content that is more than a year old. It's a content gift that keeps on giving. Users are search-driven, not scroll-addicted. People come here with purpose. They're not killing time. They're solving problems, planning projects, building things. 96% of searches, unbranded. Nobody's typing your competitor's name. They're searching for a solution to their problems. Maybe it's how to create a cozy home office in a small space, or affordable skincare for sensitive skin. Sounds familiar? That is the magic of Pinterest. It connects real people with real needs to the content that you're already creating. You're not fighting for brand recognition. You're meeting them at the exact same moment they're looking for what you do. 537 plus million users and content. Pinterest is multi-generational. Gen Zs are building their dream life, millennials are parenting and renovating, and boomers, they're planning book a trip list and buying gifts for the grandkids. So no, this is not another feed to entertain. It's search-first platform where content compounds. When you match what people are looking for with what you offer, you become their sold click. And when you layer that with email capture, a strong call to action, and great content, you build a lead machine that works while you sleep. Pinterest is always on. Full funnel marketing engine. From top of funnel awareness to the bottom of funnel conversions. It's built to turn cold traffic and turn it warm, without you having to post every day or dance on camera. Let's stop calling it social media and start treating it like what it actually is. A high-converting, maintenance search engine that plays for the long game. Ready? Let's set up your foundation. Drop a comment below and let me know. Have you tried Pinterest before? Or is this your first deep dive? I read everyone, and I would love to know where you are at your journey. Optimizing your Pinterest profile, your digital storefront. Pinterest profile is your first impression. It tells the platform and the users who you are and why you matter. Here is how to optimize it. Business account. Switch from personal to business. It's free and unlocks analytics, scheduling, product pins, and website claiming. Business accounts are also required to run ads, promote pins, and access the verified merchant program. Username and display name. Your username should reflect your brand or your niche keyword. Keep it simple and consistent across all platforms. Your display name can include keywords too. Example, Lisa Healthy Recipes and Gut Health Coach. These help you appear in search results even before someone sees your pins. Bio. Clearly explain who you help, how you can help them, and what they can expect from your content. Use 5 to 7 keywords naturally. For example, helping busy moms eat healthier with fast gluten-free meals, easy lunchbox ideas, and meal prep tips. Don't use hashtags or links. Pinterest doesn't recognize them in bios. Focus on readability and clarity instead. Website claiming. Use the HTML method for WordPress or connect your Shopify store. Verified websites build trust and authority in Pinterest. You can also get access to analytics for your domain and increases your pin distribution. Banner image. Think of it like a billboard. Use it to highlight your niche, offers, and call to action. For example, free meal plans or join my newsletter. Canva is perfect for designing this. Use bold text, clean layout, and your brand colors. Board covers. These add a polished look and improve user experience. Simple designs work with keywords best. They help visitors quickly scan and find content that's relevant to their interest. Use uniform branding for a visual consistency. Pinterest boards are SEO goldmines. Boards are like SEO folders. Every pin you create lives within a board, and Pinterest looks at the board title and description to understand context. Here is how to set them right. Create boards around content pillars. If you're a food blogger, you might have boards like easy weeknight dinners or vegan comfort food. Use keyword-rich titles. Avoid vague name boards like yummy or blog post. Be clear. Gluten-free baking recipes is much better. Board descriptions. Add 5 to 10 keywords naturally in the description. Make it read like a sentence, not a list of keywords. Example. Find delicious, easy to make vegan comfort foods recipes, from soups and casseroles to plant-based mac and cheese. This board is perfect for any plant-powered kitchen. Create sections within boards. Example. Inside healthy meal prep, add sections like low carb, vegetarian, and kid-friendly. This adds structure and boosts visibility, creating an optimized board. Go to your Pinterest and click Saved, and then hit the plus icon. Name your board using a keyword. Click Create. Then click the 3 dots, Edit Board, add a description, and save. Repeat this for each content pillar on your site or blog. Keywords are king, but context is queen. Pinterest SEO hinges in keyword use. Here is how to do proper keyword research. Search bar suggestions. Type your main topic, for example, home office decor, and note the autocomplete suggestions. These are real, these are popular terms. Pinterest Trends tool. Filter by year, season, audience, and interest. Use the graph to see which months are performing the best, are best to post for seasonal topics. Pink clicks, advanced tool. Use it to see search volumes, top performing pins, and what keywords competitors rank for. Great for validation. Building a keyword list. Create a spreadsheet. Add columns for topic, pin title, and pin description. Keep track of what you use where. Organize by funnel stage. Use keywords in these places: your bio and display name, board titles and descriptions, pin titles and descriptions, text overlays, and image file names. Never keyword stuff. Make it natural and useful. Creating high converting pins by funnel stage. To build a Pinterest strategy that converts, think about the customer journey. Awareness pins. Example, 10 cozy home office ideas. Inspires is not a call to action. Use beautiful imaginary and focus on aesthetic. Consideration pins. Example, best ergonomic chairs for under $200. Educates and compares. Add call to actions like read more. Action pins. Example, shop my home office makeover. Links to products and a strong call to action to buy now. Use different formats. A static image, short-form video, repurpose contents like Reels or TikToks, product pins, link to your store, collage pins, interactive shoppable mood boards, creating a pin in Canva. Open Canva and select Pinterest pin template. Add an image, title, and brand elements. Export as PNG. Upload to Pinterest. Create pin. Add keyword optimized title, description, and destination link. Save to your most relevant board. Scheduling and automation workflow. You don't need to pin every hour. Pinterest favors consistency over frequency. Best practice 1 to 3 pins per day. Monthly workflow tutorial. Week 1, plan content topics and keywords. Week 2, write pin copy, titles, descriptions, URLs. Week 3, design graphics or repurpose content. Week 4, schedule via Tailwind or Pinterest directly. If this is your first time using Pinterest, it's not necessary. Better to upload them manually on Pinterest instead. Analytics and tracking what works. Ignore followers, impressions, visibility, saves, engagement, conversions, sales, via Shopify, Kajabi, or WordPress. Export this data monthly to refine what pins perform best for you. What is new on Pinterest in 2025? Collage pins. Add multiple shoppable products in one graphic. Instagram claim tool. Auto-import IG content and link to your site. Simplified pin formats. All-in-one builder for image, video, and text pins. Pinterest predicts tool. Forecast trends life cycles. This tool helps you stay on top of trends and create multifunctional content that lasts. Pinterest is your long-term traffic machine. If you want sustainable traffic and qualified leads and consistent sales, Pinterest is the platform to master. It rewards high-quality evergreen content, and when you combine a strong SEO with beautiful design and a strong call to action, you create a digital engine that grows for you. Start simple, stay consistent, measure, and optimize. If you found value in this breakdown and you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly strategies to help you dominate Pinterest and grow your brand. Drop a comment if you got any questions, and see you in the next one.